Now we are going to discuss question in section B. Question 8A. In a survey conducted in a school, it is found that 1 out of 3 students is selected to attend an intervention class. If n students are randomly selected, the percentage that exactly a student is not selected to the intervention class is equal to 10 times the percentage of all students selected to the class. Calculate the value of n. Okay, so from this question, kita boleh identify lah ada perkataan randomly selected, lepas tu ada perkataan percentage. So, mungkin this one topic of probability distribution. Okay, so kita kena identify lah the variable. Kalau kita tengok variable dia X is number of students yang attend intervention class. So, X student. Okay, students attend intervention class. Okay, so sekarang ni number of student ni whole number. So this one kita boleh guna probability, binomial distribution. So formula dia P X equals to R NCR P power of R Q power of N minus R. Okay, kita tengoklah apa benda yang dia ada bagi dekat sini. Okay, so given now 1 out of 3 students. So maksudnya dia punya probability lah. So P dia selected to attend an intervention class. So 1 out of 3, so 1 over 3. So then boleh cari Q lah. 1 minus 1 over 3, 2 over 3. Ni yang selected Yang selected. Okay, lepas tu ada words kat sini. Percentage exactly a student not selected. So 1 not selected. Okay, is equals to 10. Is equals to 10 times. Okay, so sama dengan 10. All student selected. Okay, so all selected. Ni ayat dia tu. Okay, so kita kena kita kena tengoklah probability dia mana satu. Okey, kalau yang not selected ni, yang not selected ni dia punya P is 2 over 3. Q is 1 over 3. Tapi kalau yang selected ni, maksudnya P dia is 1 over 3 and Q dia is 2 over 3. Okey, so kita masukkanlah dekat dalam formula formula binomial distribution ni. Okay, so 1 selected so maksudnya n ni tak tahu. Okay, NCR C 1. Okay, so P is 2 over 3 power of R. R is 1. Q is 1 over 3 power of N minus R. So N minus 1. Okay, equals to 10 times. Okay, all yang selected. So maksudnya NCN lah. NCN P power of N. P is 1 over 3 power of N. Q is 2 over 3 power of N minus N is 0. Okay, so then kita simplify this one. NC1 is N. Okay, this one 2 over 3. This one kita pecahkan 1 over 3 power of N times 1 over 3 power of negative 1 equals to 10. NCN is 1. 1 over 3 power of N. 2 over 3 power of 0 is 1. Okay, so kita ada yang kita boleh simplify. So this one kita akan dapat 2N over 3. Okay, 1 over 3 power of negative 1 is 3 Okay, equals to 10. Okay, so kita simplify. So N equals to 10 over 2 is 5. 8B, a cross-country competition with participants of 100 runners was held by MRSM. The time taken by each runner is normally distributed with a mean of 45 minutes and a variance of 225 minutes. So now given mu equals to 45 and variance equals to 225, meaning that the standard deviation is 15. Okay, so the time taken by each runner just now normally distributed. So X actually time taken. So yang ni continuous lah. So dia dah bagi normal, so kita kena guna normal lah. Okay, question B1. Runners who managed to complete the race within 40 minutes were awarded with medals. Find the probability of choosing a runner who did not get a medal. Okay, so kalau yang dapat medal yang kurang 40 minit. So dia nak yang tak dapat medal. So kita kena cari probability when time taken is more than 40 minutes. Okay, so this one is not standard. So kita kena standardkan. So PZ more than, guna formula ni, Z equals to X minus mu over sigma. So 40 minus mu is 45 over standard deviation is 15. Okay, this one kita solve, kita dapat Z more than negative 0.333. Okay, so then kalau kita lukis macam ni lah dia punya position dia. This one 0 mean kat tengah, negative 0.3 belah kiri sebab negative 0.333. So more than, so yang ni lah. Okay, so yang ni kita kena tengok table, tak ada so kita kena cari yang belah sini yang this one. So to find the shaded region, kita tahu total area is 1 minus Q 0.333. Okay, so from the table, this one is 0.3696. So the answer is 0.63, 04. B2, the organizer rewarded cash money to the first 10 runners that complete the run. If Kamal finished the race in 25 minutes, was he qualified for the reward? Okay, so sekarang dia nak bagi 10 runners daripada 100 runners. So kita boleh carilah probability yang rewarded ialah 10 over 100 which is 0.1. Okay, so Kamal ni dia punya masa 25 minit. Jadi kita kena nak tahulah minimum masa yang organizer ni kena ambil supaya cuma 10 orang je yang dapat medal. Okay, so kita kena tentukan masa tu. So Px ialah tadi masa kan, less than T masa lah, which is equals to 0.1. Okay, so this one tak standard, so kita standardkan Z less than T minus mu tadi. Mu is 45 over standard deviation 15 equals to 0.1. Okay, so then kita lukis. Okay, so less than kat sini, less than, so start from left. Okay, 0.1 maksudnya sikit je lah sebab total area is 1 half 0.5. Jadi kalau 0.1 sikit je kat sini. Okay, so ni kita nak carilah dia punya T dia T minus 45 over 15 ni. Okay, so kita kena guna table. Okay, dekat sini kita ada table. Kita kena carilah 0.1. Okay, 0.1 is kita tak ada kot. Jadi kita cari yang lebih sikit. This one. Okay, lebih 3 Okay, so lebih 3 tak ada, kita ambil 4 lah Okay, so cara nak baca yang atas, yang ni. Okay, which is equals to 1.282. Tahu kan macam nak baca. Okay, this one. So 1.282. Okay, so 1.282. Tapi dia punya position dia dekat left, so negative So T minus 45 over 15 equals to negative 1.282. Okay, so then kita bolehlah cari T. Okay, T equals to negative 1.282 times 15 plus 45. So kita dapatlah 25.77. Okay, so ni masih ditetapkan oleh penganjur, organizer tu. Tadi Kamal dia 25 minit. So 25.77 is more than 25. So Kamal dia qualified for the rewarded. So yes jawapan dia. Number 9, table 1 shows the values of two variables T and P obtained from an experiment to investigate the relationship between the temperature T and the gas pressure P of a type of gas. The relationship between P and T is given by P squared equals to Q R power of T, where Q and R are constant. So now given table value of T and P. So A, based on table 1, plot log P base 10 against T using the scale of 2 cm to 5 unit on the T axis and 2 cm to 0.1 unit on the log P base 10 axis. Okay, so kita kena ni lah, kena construct table So dia nak dekat sini is T dengan log P base 10. Okay, here we got T negative 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, log P, log 2.05. Okay, kita dapat 0.31, 2 decimal places. This one 0.55, 0.75. This one 0.79, 0.90 and 1.03. Okay, so then kalau kita tengok dekat sini, values of T is increasing and values of P increasing as well. So kita boleh predict nanti graf kita is graf positif. So ni graf positif lah. Okay, so kalau graf positif ni hati-hati kita tengok the maximum value of T is 25, minimum ada negatif. So log P pun sama, maximum dia 1.3, minimum dia 0.31. Okay, so now kita lukislah based on the values of T and log P in the table. Okay, so kita lukis graph. This one. Okay. So start from 1.0, 1.0, this one 1.1. So 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. Ngam-ngam So this one negative 5, 5, 10 ikut scale 15, 20, 25. Okay, maximum 25. Okay, so then negative 5, 0.31. Okay, right here 0.5, 0.55, 0.55, 0.75, 10, 0.75. Okay, 10, 0.75. Okay, 15, 0.79, 0.79. 20, 0.90. 25, 1.03. Okay. So then kita lukislah best fit straight line. Kita kena gunakan pembaris. Lepas tu kita make sure titik yang tak kena tu balance atas dengan bawah. So maybe like this. Okay, tak kena atas satu, bawah satu. Okay, this is our best fit straight line. Okay, soalan dia, it is found that one of the values of P has been wrongly recorded. From the graph in 9A, determine the correct value of P. Okay, yang wrongly recorded ni maksudnya yang obviously dia tersasar daripada best fit straight line lah. Okay, this one. Okay, so kita kena cari yang sepatutnya. Maksudnya kalau sepatutnya mesti on the best fit straight line. Okay, so kita buat garisan macam ni, kita carilah, kita baca this one, the value is 0. Berapa ni? 0.67. Okay, 0.67. Okay, tapi 0.67 is dia punya ni ialah log P base 10. So ni T kan. Okay, so log P base 10 is 0.67. So log, this one B, log P base 10 equals to 0.67. Okay, soalan ni dia nak determine value of P. P. Okay, so P kita carilah which is equals to 4.6774. Okay, so C. Okay, C. Using the table in 9A, find the value of Q and R. Okay, so untuk ni memang totally you all tak boleh guna substitution. Kena guna from the graph to compare with the gradient and the intercept. Okay, before that we need to reduce the equation. Tengok equation dia, tadi dah ada bagi. Equation is this one, P squared equals to QR power of T. So kita this one tak linear. So kena start daripada sini. P squared equals to QR power of T. Okay, so this one tak linear, kita kena reduce jadi linear. Okay, the clue is from the question. Dia dah kata log kan. So kita kena logkan lah. So kena logkan both side with log base 10. So this one log P squared base 10 equals to log QR power of T base 10. Okay, ni kita turunkan to log P base 10 equals to this one kita pecahkan dulu log Q base 10 plus log log R power of T base 10 guna loss of logarithm. Okay, so ni pun kita boleh turunkan. So this one to log P base 10 equals to log Q base 10 plus T log R base 10. Okay, so kita tahu from the question, ini kita punya big Y. So kita kena jadikan dia seorang-seorang. So therefore log P base 10 equals semua divide by 2. So this one 1 over 2 log Q base 10 plus T over 2 log R base 10. Okay, so then kita, this one is big Y. Ni big Y. Okay, ni big X. So the rest dia punya gradient lah. So dia nak cari, soalan dia nak cari Q dulu. So Q maksudnya dia punya C, this one. Okay, ni C ni M lah. Okay, so ataupun kita kalau kita nak arrange pun boleh jugalah. Lagi senang kan kita nak arrange log P base 10 equals to T over 2 log R base 10 plus 1 over 2 log Q base 10. Okay, so big Y sama dengan M big X plus C. Okay, so nak cari Q kita kena compare lah. Kita kena cari dia punya intercept. Okay, intercept. Okay, intercept is 1 over 2 log Q base 10. Okay, baca dekat sini. Intercept kita is 0.43. 0.43. Ni. Okay, 0.43. So, equals to 0.43. Okay, so you all boleh cari je lah log Q base 10 kena darab 2 lah 0.43. Lepas tu inverse log so Q equals to 7.2444. Okay, so done. So lepas tu gradient pula. Okay, gradient kat sini lah selain daripada T. So maksudnya 1 over 2 log R base 10. Okay, nak cari gradient kita tengok kat graf kita mana titik mana yang kena. Okay, so titik yang kena ini, mungkin ini dengan ni, titik yang kedua dengan yang terakhir. So yang this one, this one dengan this one. Okay, so kita gunakanlah y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 formula yang itu. Okay, so 0.13 minus 0.55 bahagi dengan 25 over 25 minus 5 Okay, so gradient kita cari 1.03 minus 0.55 over 25 minus 5. Okay, so this one is 0.024. Okay, so kalau kita nak cari log R base 10, kita kena darab 2 lah. So this one R tu terus je lah, dapat dia punya inverse log, which is equals to 1.1169. Number 10, diagram 5 shows a quadrilateral ABCD such that point A negative 99, point D 19 and point M negative 53 is a midpoint of AC. Point B lies on the perpendicular bisector of AC. Okay, so M ni dia dah bagikan situ titik tengah. Okay, so this one sama lah. Okay, A, find the equation of perpendicular bisector of AC. Okay, what is perpendicular bisector of AC? So, kita kena tahulah apa benda kita nak cari ni. So, meaning that equation of perpendicular bisector is a straight line yang membahagi dua sama ni, macam ni. Yang lalu M lah. Okay, so kita tahu ni straight line kan. So, Y equals to MX plus C. Kita kena cari dia punya gradient and intercept. Okay, so then kita boleh cari gradient dulu. Okay, gradient AM dulu AM equals to Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Okay, so 9 minus 3 over negative 9 plus 5, which is equals to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so since of dia perpendicular, so ada M2, M1 equals negative 1 lah, ataupun MAM darab M yang kita nak cari tu equals to negative 1. So now we have negative 3 over 2 times M equals to negative 1. So dapatlah M equals to 2 over 3. Okay, so masukkan dalam equation Y equals to MX plus C. So Y equals to MX plus C. Dia passes through midpoint, which is M is negative 5, 3 kan. Jadi ni kita masukkan lah. Okay, Y is 3. M is just now 2 over 3. X is negative 5 plus C. So kita boleh carilah. C is 19 over 3. So 19 over 3. So bolehlah cari perpendicular equation of perpendicular bisector kita masukkan balik. Y equals to 2 over 3x plus 19 over 3. Okay, yang ni actually kita boleh juga guna formula formula yang y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1 ni so you will get the same answer nanti B, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, to find area of quadrilateral ABCD, kita kena ada all points lah. Sekarang ni kita cuma ada point A dengan D. So, kita tak ada point B ada, tapi ada value of K yang kita tak tahu dan kita kena cari point C. Okay, so just now from the question, dia kata point B lies on the perpendicular bisector of AC. So B ni lalu ni lah yang equation yang kita dapat from A. Okay. So from A tadi kita ada Y equals to 2 over 3x plus 19 over 3. Okay, dia passes through point B. So point B ni ialah negative 8K. So this is coordinate X, coordinate Y. So kita masukkan lah. K equals to 2 over 3 times negative 8 plus 19 over 3. So nanti kita dapat K equals to 1. Okay. So therefore dapatlah point B which is negative 8, 1. Okay, so then apa lagi kita tak tahu? Point C. Okay, point C kita tak tahu. Tapi kita tahu AC tu M is midpoint. So kita guna formula midpoint lah. M is midpoint. So negative 5, 3 equals to midpoint tambah. Sini tak tahu. Okay, tambah bahagi 2. So negative 9 plus X over 2. 9 plus Y over 2. Okay. So then kita compare untuk dapatkan koordinat X and koordinat Y. Compare X dengan X, Y dengan Y. Okay. So then kita dapat sini negative 5 equals to negative 9 plus X over 2. So then berapa ni kita dapat X negative 5 times 2 negative 10 plus 9. So negative 1. Okay, compare yang hijau pula, koordinat Y. So, 3, 9 plus Y over 2. 3 times 2, 6. So, 6 minus 9. So, Y sama dengan negative 3. Okay, so dah dapat. Point C is negative 1, negative 3. Okay, so kita bolehlah cari area. Sekarang kita dah complete semua point kita dah dapat. Kita dah dapat kat sini. Which is this one, -1, -3. So, kita susun. Kita kena susun mesti ikut susunan. Kita tak boleh berterabur. Kita boleh guna AD, CB ataupun AB, CD. Tak kisahlah start daripada huruf mana pun. Lebih senang kita guna je kan ABCD. Okay, so area susun equals to 1/2. Tadi A is -9, 9. B -8, 1. Okay, C -1, -3. D 1, 9. Balik semula ke A, -9, 9. Okay, so this one 1/2. Kita ambil yang ni dulu. Okay, so darab so -9 plus -9 plus 24 plus -9 plus 9. Okay, lepas tu kita ambil yang opposite direction yang ke atas pula. Okay, so tolak. Okay, negative 72. Okay, plus -1 plus -3 plus -81. Okay, so kita kira lah. Nanti kita akan dapat. Jangan lupa ni modulus so kita akan dapat negatif pun kita kena positifkan sebab area always positive. So the final answer is 86. Okay, see the circle Z represent the locus of moving point P that move such that its distance from point A is always constant. Point D lies on the circle Z. Find the equation of circle Z. Okay, so nak cari equation of circle Z ni maksud kita kena cari dia punya locus lah. Equation of locus. Okay, so apa ayat dia? Daripada ayat ni kita kena create equation. So first of all dia kata P is moving point. P move. Okay, so P ni XY moving point, kita sentiasa wakilkan dengan XY. Lepas tu the distance from point A is always constant. So PA equals to constant. Kalau constant PA, P kat sini dekat titik ni kan. So sentiasa constant. So maksud dia punya radius lah. So radius yang paling senang kita nak cari, kita cari jarak ni. Okay, so this one -9. This one 1. So kita nak cari jarak 1 minus -9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So radius dia 10. So distance PA equals to 10. Okay, formula of distance. Okay, x1 minus x2. So kat sini berapa? So kita dapat x minus -9. So x plus 9. Squared plus y minus 9 squared equals to 10. Okay, so kita selesaikan je lah. So this one x plus 9 squared plus y minus 9 squared sama dengan 10 squared. Kita squaredkan both side sebab kita nak eliminate the square root. Okay, so the rest kita just expand and simplify. Okay, so this one I'm going to expand shortly. Siapa tak reti nak expand shortly kena buat satu-satu lah. So x squared, x darab 9 darab 2 is 18x, 9 squared is 81. Okay, so this one y squared, y times -9 times 2 is -18y, -9 squared is positive 81. So ni pindah sini, tolak 100 equals to 0. Okay, so the rest kita simplify. X squared plus 18x plus y squared minus 18y, 81, 81. So tolak ni, so plus 62 equals to 0. So this is the equation of locus of circle Z. Number 11, diagram 6 shows the curve y equals to x squared plus 3 and the gradient of the tangent to the curve at point P is 6. Okay, so find the area of the shaded region A. So to find the area of shaded region, kita ada formula area of shaded region. So A equals to integrate AB y dx ataupun AB x dy. Okay, so nak cari area ni kita kena tahulah dia punya limit semua kan. So first of all we need to find the limit. Kat sini kita kena cari point P lah. Okay, so now dia punya clue gradient of tangent. Gradient of tangent is dy dx. Okay, so dy dx equals to 6. Lepas tu given curve y equals to x squared plus 3. So we can differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so dy dx equals to 2x. Okay, so then dy dx is 6. So this one equals to 6. So kita dapatlah x equals to 3. Okay, bila dah dapat x equals to 3, we can substitute x equals to 3 into y. Okay, ni masukkan dalam sini. So, y equals to 3 squared plus 3. So, y equals to 12. Okay, so dapatlah. So, therefore, kita dapat titik P is 3, 12. Okay, so then, ini dapat sini. Okay, this one 3, this one 12. Okay, so kita kena cari pula dia punya x-intercept. Okay, x-intercept. To find x-intercept, kita kena cari dulu equation of the straight line P ni lah, of the straight line of the tangent. Equation of tangent. So, kita tahu equation of straight line is y equals to mx plus c. So, kita dah ada titik xy. So, we substitute y equals to 12. M equals to, just now, M is berapa? 6, gradient 6. X is 3 plus C. So, kita dapatlah C equals to negative 6. So, then equation of tangent. So, equation of tangent y equals to 6x minus 6. Okay. So, then kita nak cari this one. Kita nak cari x-intercept. So, x-intercept y equals to 0. Okay. So, y equals to 0, x-intercept. So, kita masukkan dekat sini 6x minus 6 equals to 0. Dapatlah x equals to 1. Okay. So, now kita dapat 1. Okay, so seterusnya kita boleh carilah area of shaded region. Okay, so shaded area. Okay, since of kita ada area under the graph, so kita ada lower limit, so kita boleh gunakan formula yang this one. Okay, formula this one, aby dx. Okay, so a equals to aby dx. Okay, so then nak cari shaded area ni is shaded area sama dengan area under the graph tolak yang empty. Okay, so shaded area tadi saya kata kita gunakan formula A by dx. Area yang segitiga is 1/2 times base times height. Okay, so then kita masukkanlah. Okay, so kita kena tengok graf kita. Okay, so lower limit. Okay, lower limit is 0. Upper limit is 3. Okay, so 0, 3, y. Y is x squared plus 3. Sorry, x squared plus 3. Okay, dx. Okay, minus 1/2 base dia. Base dia yang this one Okay, base dia is 2. Height dia yang this one, which is 12. Okay, so then kita integrate lah. Integrate x squared is x cubed over 3 plus 3x 0, 3. Yang ni kita boleh terus dapat lah. Area of segitiga is 12. Okay, substitute upper limit 3 cube over 3 plus 3x minus, this one 3 Okay, minus 0 cube over 3. 0 cube over 3 plus 3 times 0. Okay, minus 12. Okay, so the final answer will be 6. Okay, 6 units squared. 11b, find the volume of revolution in terms of pi when the region bounded by the curve straight line y equals to 12 and the y-axis is revolved through 360 degree about y-axis. So dekat sini volume about y, so kita gunakan volume sama dengan pi a b x squared dy. Okay, so we are going to use this formula. Okay, but then before that kita kena cari dulu shaded region dia yang mana satu, region yang bounded by the curve. Okay, so kita cari dulu region ayat dia ni, region bounded by the curve. So ni. Okay, then straight line y equals to 12. Tadi kita dah tahu ni titik tadi is 3, 12. So kalau straight line y equals to 12, so this one lah. The straight line is this one. Okay, so lepas tu and y-axis. Okay, and y-axis. Okay, so y-axis ni lah, y-axis kan. So kalau nak cari region bounded, so this one lah. Okay, this shaded region kita revolve about y-axis. So kita nak cari. Okay, so before that kita kena tahu dia punya boundaries. Dia punya limit. Okay, so since of kita integrate with respect to y, so values of lower and upper limit are values of y. Okay, so dekat sini kita tahu yang atas ni upper limit dia 12 nilai y kan. Okay, yang ni is y-intercept untuk equation ni. Okay, so y-intercept dia 3. So the rest kita just substitute all the values of lower and upper limit and the equation as well dalam formula ni. Okay, so volume sama dengan pi. Lower limit is 3, upper limit is 12, x squared. Tengok, kat sini kita ada y equals to x squared plus 3. So kalau x squared sahaja, y minus 3. Okay, so this one y minus 3 dy. Okay, so integrate. So this one you will get y squared over 2 minus 3y. 3, 12. Okay, substitute upper limit. So 12 squared over 2 minus 3 times 12 minus 3 squared over 2 minus 3 times 3. Okay, so the answer is 81 over 2 pi. Unit Q. Now question in section C, we start from question number 12. Table 2 shows the price indices of 4 motorcycle models A, B, C and D sold by a company in a year 2019 based on a year 2017. Okay, so clue dia price index. So maksudnya I. Okay, year 19 base 17. Okay, so question A, if the price of model B in the year 2017 is 5,550, find its price in the year 2019. Okay, so dekat sini dia nak model B sahaja. Okay, so kita fokus dekat model B. Okay, so now we have I 19 base 17. Okay, equals to model B is 0.5. 105. Okay, so formula of price index is P19 base P17 darab 100 equals to 105. Okay, yang ni dia bagi 5,550 ni in the year 2017. Okay, so kita masukkan 5550 times 100 is 105. So kita boleh carilah price in the year 2019. 105 times 5550 divided by 100. Okay, which is equals to 5,827 ringgit and 50 cent. Okay, mesti 2 decimal places because this is price. 12B, the price index of model C in the year 2021 based on the year 2017 and 2019 are 146.4 and 120 respectively. Okay, so find the value of P. So dekat sini the clue is we have 3 years. Okay, so we rearrange. We have here 2017, 2019 19 and 2021. Okey, ayat dia dekat sini price index C Okey, 2021 base 2017. Okey, 2021 base 17 yang ni lah. Okay, so this one is 146.4. Lepas tu 21 base 19. Okay, 120. So 21 base 19, this one 120. Okay, so dia suruh cari value of P. Okay, kalau kita tengok C value of P is index number in the year 2019 base 17. Maksudnya kita kena cari ni lah. Ni P. Okay. So kalau kita nak gunakan formula C equals to A darab B bahagi 100. So kita dapatlah 146.4 equals to P times 120 over 100. So dapatlah P equals to 146.4 times 100 over 120. Okay. So P is 122. Okay. So then dia kata describe B2. Describe the changes in the selling price of model C from 2017 2019. So ni lah P lah kan. Okay. Dia so describe. Okay. So sekarang kita tahu base kita untuk index number ni is 100. Kita ada sekarang 122. So increase lah. Okay. Increase tapi kena sebut berapa persen. Kat sini 22%. 12C, given the price of model A in the year 2017 and 2019 are 6,100 and 6,710 respectively, find the value of R. Okay, so nak cari R kat sini untuk model A. Okay, so focus on A. So R is actually I19 base 17 for model A. So this one price 19 base price 17 times 100. Jadi kita masukkan je lah price. 2019 is 6710. 2017 6100. Okay, so nanti kita dapat lah 110. Okay, so this one is question 1. So question 2. C2, hence if the composite index, okay, for the price of motorcycles in the year 2019 base 2017 is 116.4, find the value of Q. Okay, so here kita ada composite index, so maksudnya I lah, I bar equals to I bar 19 base 17. Okay, so equals to 116.4. Okay, so kita punya formula untuk I bar is summation of, okay, summation of IW over summation of W. Okay, so maksudnya kita kena adalah semua values of price index. Okay, dan dia punya W which is weightage. So R ni kita ada, kita masukkan R is 110. Tadi kita dah dapat P122. Okay, weightage. Weightage kita kena baca daripada bacat ni. Okay, for item, for motorcycle A is Q. Okay, B2, C 8 and D 7. Okay, so kita masukkan lah, kita darab-darab je kan. Okay, so here we got 1110 times Q plus 105 times 2 plus 122 times 8 plus 116 times 7. Okay, bahagi dengan total of weightage Q plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 equals to 116.4. Okay, so kita selesaikan je lah yang ni pengiraan biasa ni. So here we got 110Q plus 1998 sama dengan 116.4 times Q plus 17. Okay, so kita selesaikan. Selesaikanlah, panjang juga dia punya jalan kira ni. So, tapi pengiraan biasa. Okay, so this one 110Q plus 1998 equals to 116.4Q plus 1978.8. Okay, so then kita tolakkan 116.4Q tolak 110Q dapat 6.4Q equals to 1998 minus 1978.8 is 19.2. Okay, so nanti kita dapat Q equals to 3. Number 13, diagram 8 shows a quadrilateral PQRS A1. Given angle PRS is an obtuse angle. Find angle PRS. Okay, so now very important things. The angle of PRS is obtuse, meaning that more than 90 but less than 180 degree. Okay, so PRS. Okay, so PRS is this one. Okay, so kita kena fokus angle yang bawah ni. Kita boleh cari yang opposite lah. Kita meshkan dengan opposite side dia. Okay, so then kita boleh guna sine rule. Okay, so sine angle PRS over opposite side is 13.58 equals to sine 26.6 over 8.599. Okay, so kita boleh carilah sine angle PRS equals to sine 26.6 over 8.599 times 13.58. Okay, so angle PRS equals to 45 degree. Okay, just now dia kata angle PRS is obtuse. So kena tolak 180 lah. 180 minus 45 equals to 135 degree. Okay, so this is A1. A2. If straight line PR is extended to point M such that angle PRS equals to angle MPS and RS equals to MS. Find the length in centimeter of PM. Okay, so dia kata PR extended extended somewhere. Okay, panjang lah kat sini Okay, so lepas tu RS equals to MS. RS equals to MS. So right here sama Okay, so ni sama. So ni M lah. Okay, this one 8.599. So tadi yang ni kita dah dapat tadi 135. So kita boleh carilah straight away. This one 45, this one 45. Okay, dia nak length in centimeter of PM. Okay, dia nak PM PM yang ni. Okay, so kita boleh gunakan segitiga besar lah segitiga besar. Okay, so nak cari ni tak tahu. Okay, kita boleh guna cosine rule. Tapi untuk cosine rule kita kena ada angle yang ni. Kita cari dulu angle PSM equals to 180 minus 26.6 minus 45. Okay, equals to 108.4. So this one 108.4. So boleh carilah PM by using cosine rule. So PM squared equals to 13.58 squared plus 8.599 squared minus 2 times 13.58 times 8.599 cos 108.4. Okay, so kita guna calculator dan lepas tu kita just square rootkan. So kita dapat PM lah equals to 18.2245. Okay, B, find angle PRQ. So we are going to find this angle PRQ. Okay, to find PRQ kita kena fokus dekat segitiga atas. Tapi kalau kita tengok segitiga atas tak ada satu angle pun yang ada So tapi kita mungkin boleh cari PR. Okay, so to find PR kita boleh cari yang ni lah. Kita kena cari angle PSR first. Okay, so angle PSR equals to 180 minus 135 minus 26.6. Okay, equals to 18.4. Okay, dah dapat. So kita boleh gunalah PR. PR gunakan sine rule over opposite dia sine 18.4. Okay, equals to, yang ni kita boleh guna mana-mana length. Katakanlah saya nak pilih length PS. So 13.58 dengan bahagi dengan opposite angle is 135. Okay, so PR 13.58 over sin 135 times sin 18.4. Okay, so akan dapat 6.0620. Okay, so dapatlah 6.0620. Okay, so focus in this triangle. Kita nak cari PRQ. Kita tak ada satu angle pun, tapi kita ada semua length. So kita boleh guna cosine rule. Okay, so this one 12.21 lah dia punya subject. So 12.21 squared sama dengan 6.0620 squared plus 7.813 squared minus 2 times 6.0620 times 7.813 times cos, tak tahu cos PRQ. PRQ. Okay, so kita jadikan cos PRQ as subject. So kita dapat cos PRQ equals to 6.0620 squared plus 7.813 squared minus 12.21 squared over, in the bracket this one mesti letak dalam bracket, kalau tak nanti boleh salah bila kita calculate guna calculator. So 2 times 6.0620 times 7.813. Okay, so kita tekan tu, kita shift cos, kita dapat angle PRQ is 122.79 degree. C. Calculate the area in centimeter squared of pentagon PQRMS. Okay, so PQRMS. Okay, so to find area of triangle, so kita ada formula area 1/2 AB sin C. Okay, so then kita kena carilah satu-satu. Cari yang segitiga atas tu, area of segitiga PRQ campurkan dengan area of triangle PSM. So for PRQ 1/2, tadi kita dah ada formula angle PRQ which is 122.79. So this one A dia 6.0620 times 7.813 sin 122.79 tambah area yang ni pun macam-macam cara kamu boleh guna. Yang ni saya suka guna length ni dengan length ni. So saya guna angle 108.4 lah. So this one 13.58 times 8.599 times sin 108.4. Okay, ni kamu boleh je juga kalau kamu nak guna sin 45, tapi length kamu yang ni lah, length SM. Lepas tu yang ni pun dah ada tadi kan, PM daripada soalan A. Okay, so this one kalau kita guna cara ni, kita just press the calculator and the final answer will be 75.3101. Number 14. A toy car moves along a straight line with velocity v meter per second given by v equals to negative 40 squared plus 50, 60 minus 160, where t is the time in second after passing through a fixed point O. Assume motion to the right is positive. A. Find the displacement function and acceleration function in terms of t of the toy car. Okay, this one in topics of kinematics of linear motion. So kita tulis dulu dia punya komponen SVA. So kita tahu S2V differentiate, V2A differentiate another time. So since of integration is inverse process of differentiation, so A to V integrate. Jangan lupa integrate plus C. So V to S integrate lagi sekali. Okay, so A dia nak displacement. Okay, so kita start from V lah yang dia bagi. Negative 4t squared plus 56t minus 160. Dia nak displacement S. Okay, so S kita kena ni nak cari S from B, kita kena integrate. Okay, so S integrate negative 4t squared plus 56t minus 160 with respect to t. So we will get negative 4t cubed over 3 plus 56t squared over 2 minus 160t plus c. Okay, so dekat sini from the question dia tak ada bagi pun info, so kita assume when t equals to 0, s equals to 0, so c equals to 0. So then finally kita boleh dapat s is negative 4 over 3t cube plus this one simplify akan dapat 28 t squared minus 160 t. Okay, so then acceleration. So acceleration from V, we need to differentiate. So acceleration A equals to dv dt. From ni lah kita cari ni kita differentiate V. So A equals to negative 8t plus 56. Okay, so ni lah kita dah ada semua komponen in kinematics. So V, S and A. B. The toy car will lose control if it reaches its velocity limit of 40 meter per second. Determine whether in the given motion the toy car will lose its control. Justify your answer by calculation. Okay, kalau dia nak reach limit, maksudnya dia maximum or minimum lah, velocity maximum or minimum. So kita tahu kalau maximum velocity, okay, maximum velocity A equals to 0. Okay, just now kita dah ada kan semua yang kita ni tadi dekat soalan atas. Okay, so kita ambil je lah. A0 kita ada negative 8t plus 56 equals to 0. Then t equals to 56 over 8. Okay, which is t equals to 7. Okay, kita kena test. Kita kena masukkan kita punya T into V. Supaya kita nak tengok kita punya V ni capai tak 40. Sebab dia tanya dekat situ, determine whether the given motion the toy car will lose its control. Kita nak tahu car ni lose control tak. Jadi kita test So T7 into V. Okay, so V equals to this one Okay, negative 4 7 squared plus 56 7 plus minus 160. Okay, so ni kita dapat 36. Rupa-rupanya kita punya V 36 tak capai pun 40. So dia 36 is less than 40. 40 tu dia lose control. So dia tanya determine toy car will lose its control. So no lah. So therefore no. C. During its motion, the toy car stopped twice. Find the total distance in meter traveled by the toy car between the two stops. Okay, so perkataan stop, kita tahu kalau stop maksudnya V equal to 0. So kita need to use tadi semua tu lah, yang semua VSA tu kita guna balik from question A. Okay, so stop. V equal to 0, ambil this one. So negative 4t squared plus 56t minus 160 equals to 0. Okay, so kita keluarkanlah t squared minus 14t plus 40 equals to 0. So kita boleh carilah. Kita dapat berapa ni? 10. 10 darab 4. So t minus 4, minus 10. So then dapatlah t equals to 4 and t equals to 10. Ni dua masa dia stop lah. Okay, so kita kena cari total distance. Okay, so then to find total distance, we need to substitute these two values of t into S. So S yang ni. Okay, so when t equals to 4, S equals to negative 4 over 3, 4 cube plus 28, 4 squared minus 164. Okay, so ni akan dapat negative 832/3. When t equals to 10 pula. So s equals to negative 4/3 10 cube plus 28 times 10 squared minus 160 times 10. Okay, this one akan dapat negative 400/3. Okay, so then to find total distance, so total distance. Okay, distance always positive. Jadi kita kena letak dalam ni lah modulus. Kita tahu. So negative 400/3 minus negative 832/3. Okay, so the final answer will be 144 meter.